Hey folks, it's your bro Town Row. I remember in secondary school when my physics teacher he made a statement and said, the best state a body can be is, and my friend jumped and said, is in love. And we all laughed that day, although he was caned. Well, today we're looking at the 6 states of matter.
Now, matter can be anything that has mass and occupies space, and the quantity of matter a body contains is known as its mass. Of course, from chemistry, the classes of matter are elements, compounds, and mixtures. This episode of Tarot and Science will be looking at the distinct forms in which matter can exist, and these phases are differentiated by changes in the properties of matter, specifically the degree of movement. Number 1, solids. The particles in solids are held very close to each other. A solid holds a definite shape and volume without a container. An example is ice. Number 2, liquids. The particles in liquids are not held very close to each other. The liquid is able to conform to the shape of its container. An example is milk. Number 3, gases. The particles in gases are free to move about. A gas is able to conform to the shape of its container as well as expand to fill the container. An example is the air you and I are breathing right now. Number 4, plasma. Plasma is a hot ionized gas consisting of approximately equal number of positively charged ions and negatively charged electrons. An example is the fluorescent light. Here's a fun fact. Plasma is the most abundant form of ordinary matter in the universe. About 99% of all matter in the universe is plasma. Number 5, the Bose Einstein condensate. In this state of matter, separate atoms or subatomic particles, for example photons, cooled to temperature very close to absolute zero, which is 0 Kelvin, they coalesce, that is, they join into a single quantum mechanical entity. An example of a Bose-Einstein condensate is a superconductor. Number 6, degenerate matter. This is matter under very high pressure, supported by the principle that states that no two electrons in the same atom can have identical values for all 4 of their quantum numbers. That is the Pauli exclusion principle. Examples of degenerate matter are white dwarf stars and neutron stars. Thanks for watching. I hope you've learned something new. Stay tuned for more of most things art and science.